Collagen boosting hacks. Unlocking your skin's fountain of youth. Welcome back to our channel, Health Haven, where we're all about helping you unlock the secrets to health. Today, we're diving deep into the world of collagen, the key ingredient that keeps our skin looking plump and radiant. Now, I've got some amazing tips and tricks to supercharge your collagen production, so let's get started. And don't forget your like and subscribe now. The power of nutrients. First up, let's talk about the nutrients that can work wonders for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C is like the superhero of the collagen world. Grab those citrus fruits, strawberries, and colorful bell peppers to give your skin a boost. And as we mentioned before in past video in details, don't forget about vitamin E, found in foods like almonds and avocados, to protect your collagen from those pesky free radicals. 2. Amino acids for collagen formation. We have the dynamic duo, proline and glycine. These amino acids are essential for collagen formation. Get your fix from lean meats, fish, and legumes. Oh, and did you know that copper is a secret player in the collagen game? Organ meats, shellfish, and whole grains can keep those copper levels in check and support collagen's cross-linking process. 3. Beauty minerals and antioxidants. Silicon, found in bananas and leafy greens, gives collagen a helping hand. Indulge in berries, dark chocolate, and green tea to protect your skin from damage. Tip 4. Lifestyle habits for collagen love. Now, let's talk about some lifestyle habits that can take your collagen game to the next level. First things first, hydration is key. Drink up, my friends, to keep your skin supple and support collagen production. And don't skip out on those omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish and nuts, to keep inflammation at bay. Tip 5. Sun protection and beyond. Time to face the sun. Ultraviolet radiation can break down collagen faster than you can say wrinkles. So, slather on that sunscreen, seek shade, and rock your stylish sun protective gear. Oh, and smoking. It's a collagen killer, so let's leave that bad habit behind, shall we? Tip 6. Boosting collagen with extra tricks. Now, let's dive into some extra tricks for boosting collagen. And who doesn't love a good facial massage? Get those fingers moving to stimulate blood flow and collagen production. Keep in mind that collagen production naturally declines with age, but with these tips and tricks, you can give your skin a fighting chance. But before we sign off, let's dive even deeper into the world of collagen and explore a few additional hacks to boost its production. Tip 8. Exercise for collagen activation. Did you know that exercise can do wonders for your collagen levels? Engaging in regular physical activity increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. This promotes collagen synthesis and helps maintain skin elasticity. So, lace up those sneakers and get moving. Tip 9. Sleep and collagen regeneration. Beauty sleep is real. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, and collagen production kicks into high gear. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin the time it needs to regenerate and rejuvenate. Tip 10. Stress reduction and collagen preservation. Stress can take a toll on your skin and collagen levels. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which can break down collagen fibers. Incorporate stress management techniques into your routine, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises, to help preserve your collagen and maintain a youthful complexion. Tip 11. Hyaluronic acid and collagen synergy. Hyaluronic acid is a superstar when it comes to hydrating and plumping the skin. It works hand in hand with collagen, providing a supportive environment for collagen fibers. Look for skincare products or serums that contain hyaluronic acid to give your collagen a boost and achieve a smoother, more youthful appearance. Tip 12. Collagen boosting recipes. Let's explore some delicious recipes that can support collagen production. Incorporate bone broth into your diet, as it's rich in collagen and amino acids. You can also enjoy collagen-boosting smoothies with ingredients like spinach, berries, and collagen peptide powders. Get creative in the kitchen and nourish your skin from within. Tip 13. Natural skincare ingredients for collagen support. When it comes to skincare, certain natural ingredients can help support collagen health. Look for products that contain retinol, vitamin C, peptides, and niacinamide. These ingredients have been shown to promote collagen production, reduce fine lines, and improve skin texture. Tip 14. Professional treatments for collagen enhancement. If you're looking for more intensive collagen-boosting treatments, there are professional options available. Consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional to explore treatments such as microneedling, laser therapy, or radiofrequency treatments. These procedures can stimulate collagen production and help you achieve more significant skin rejuvenation. And that's a wrap on our collagen-boosting journey. From nutrient-rich foods to healthy lifestyle habits and skincare tips, we've covered it all. Remember, collagen is the secret to maintaining youthful, radiant skin, and with a little effort and the right knowledge, you can unlock your skin's fountain of youth. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty insights and secrets. If you like the video, support us with like and share and subscribe now. Until next time, take care and keep glowing.